Now we're going to do Beit Hashem Yisborach Maseches Peah, Daf 41. Rabbi Yehuda ben Chagrehi. The Mishnah brings down in the name of Reb Meir that Safek Leket. If you are Safek, if this grain was picked was brought by the ants before or after, so the Mishnah says, Reb Meir says we have to worry maybe it was brought down there after the Ktsira, and Mamela he took from the Leket, and you have to give it for the poor. So Rabbi Yochanan says this statement goes according to Yehuda ben Chagrehi. The Tony engaged in this guy, but like common teres, actually in this guy potash, this guy a chayiv. The question is, if his workers cut this field while he was still a goy, then if you cut it while he was still a goy, we say that he is chayiv, that is potter, because if he started before he was guy himself, then it's potter, and we can say that he finished the ktsira, then he was Magai himself. It's already too late, as we had before, that only if he was Magai himself in the middle of the ktsira, then you can say he's still chayiv. Mishnah is guy chayiv. Im Safek potter. If it's a Safek, we don't know exactly the time when he became a ger. If it was before he finished the ktsira, or after, it's potter. So this is according to Yehuda ben Chagrehi. He holds that Safek is chayiv. Shimon ben Lakish Omer de V'Hakali. Yisrael she'ikore chayiv, Safek chayiv. Goy she'ikore potter, Safek potter. It's different. Here it's a special chiddush, even though he has a cheskas goy. That's a very big chiddush. But Yisrael she'ikore chayiv, maybe everybody agrees that Safek chayiv. Omer Bechelen Kacho Yemeshe Yehuda ben Chagrehi Sachachomim. Inat moedim li is Safek Leket. Omer Shimon Lakish Kacho Yemeshe Sachachom. Ein at moedim li. Oh, so what is this? Rabbi Yochanan and Rabbi Shimon ben Lakish. Yochanan says, "Kach Aisha Yehuda ben Chagrehi Sachachomim. Ein at moedim li shesafek leket." According to him, it's Yehuda ben Chagrehi, the one that's talking here. According to Rabbi Shimon ben Lakish, Kach Rabbi Meir Meish v'Sachachomim. Rabbi Meir is talking here. Yerushalmi Lakish says that it's not only Yehuda ben Chagrehi. Our Mishnah goes even according to Rabbi Meir's stomach. So Rabbi Meir is talking here, and he's asking the Chachamim. I think it's just a matter of who is talking, if Rabbi Meir or Yehuda ben Chagrehi. Where do we know this halacha? Shem Banachman Shem B'Yonasan Oni V'Rosh Hatzdikhu Hatzdikeyu B'Matnaisa Shlokish Omer Shem Kapara Letzat Mishnah Yoincha B'Rivai Inat Mateo B'Matnaisa Bechnik Uish Yishon Rabbi Taizoiv Hanach Lufnei Mishalacha Omer Rablo Ksiv Ageh Yisra Amana Yeh Bein Medadach Bein Medei Havlei. You should be for him no matter what, even if it's maybe yours or his, you should still leave it over to him. We finished now Perek Dalet, and I want to start also Perek Hey. You want to finish Daf Mem Aleph. Gaddish, a big huge pile. Shaloi Luka Tachto, that the guy made a pile in his field before he let the poor men pick the leket. So everything that touches the ground on that threshing floor belongs for the poor. Different story happened. All the bundles got mixed up with the leket. So we say, how much leket should be in this field? And that's what you give for the aniyim. There's a certain exact amount called kedei nefila. We'll see soon what this amount is. Again, the question is here, you don't know how much leket in this field, how much there was, because it got mixed up with the regular bundles. What's the difference? Why don't you say also oimden? Make an estimate. There he did something very bad. He did dime something. He put his pile on top of the leket. How far do we count him? Yerushalmi immer b'shem blokish the Shamai who the Shamom Afganim Hefker. However, Kebesilo Anim Asher V'Ichlam. You cannot say that Chachoma made it for the Aniyim. According to Besilo, no such concept. So whatever you say Arayishal Aniyim, they actually must take off Meiser because it's not really theirs. Amle Yesi Shaman Shipatim Na Meiser V'Hakol. No. Knas Shefke Bezen Hefker. So here is a new sugya. It starts iminayin. It's a new sugya. It got somehow. This is Bodanish column. You should be sure that it's not. It's hutak mishkol. So this is the end of, we finish now Daf Mem Aleph. Daf Mem Aleph.